Install WordPress. Under 5 minutes. In this tutorial, we will install WordPress for local computer. Take note when installing also to remote web server host. The process is almost the same. Install on localhost for testing. Let's get started. Make sure you downloaded a localhost server. In this case, we are using XAMP, but any will do the job like webserver or WAMP. Go to your Publish folder. In this case, it's HTTP docs located on your web server installation directory. Create a folder and named it WordPress. Go to your download folder and find the WordPress package you downloaded and extract to the WordPress folder you have just created. Drag all contents to the WordPress folder. Now we wait. Now open your web browser and navigate to localhost/WordPress. This is the main WordPress installation page. Select your language and proceed. Next, we need to create a blank database on your localhost server and named it WordPress DB, or else installation will fail just like this if there is no database found. Failure to create new database for WordPress installation error.